everyone, my name is Yulia Vichart and I'm a family lawyer. I work at the law company of the lawyer Alexey Nikolaevich Skrybin. Our law company specializes in providing legal services in the field of marriage dissolution and recovery of alimony. Our lawyers provide support in court proceedings throughout Ukraine. In this video, I will tell you how much does it cost to file a divorce through the court, what is the cost of a lawyer's services for divorce, how much does it cost to draw up documents for divorce through the registry office, what is the cost of divorce services form, what is the cost of consulting a lawyer in a divorce issue. Watch this video till the end in order to learn a lot of interesting information about the cost of services in case of divorce. Subscribe to my channel to receive up-to-date information in the field of family law. Contacts for calling me and for asking about paid consultations are under this video. How much does it cost to file divorce through a court in Ukraine? In order to understand the cost of services in case of divorce, it is necessary to decide which authority will carry out the divorce. The cost of services of state registration of a divorce through the registry office includes the state fee for filing a statement for divorce. It is paid by one of the spouses. In addition, spouses can use a paid service for drawing up a statement for divorce in the State Register of Civil Status of Citizens. Divorce through the court involves contacting a lawyer or a family lawyer in order to obtain advice and legal assistance. Accordingly, the cost of the divorce service through the court provides the following payment: court fee in the process of filing a statement of claim in court, possible court costs in the process of considering the divorce case, legal assistance of a lawyer for the provided services. The cost of legal services for divorce in Ukraine. The cost of services for divorce through the court implies legal costs. These are the actual monetary costs connected with the appeal to the court for protection and organizing and providing of such a legal protection, the payment of which is carried out by the participants of the case, and if they are exempt from paying court costs, at the state's expense. The cost of court expenses consists of the court fee and costs associated with the consideration of the case, with the participation of a lawyer. The costs connected with the consideration of a divorce case, with the participation of a lawyer, include the costs on professional legal assistance of a lawyer, costs connected with the involvement of witnesses, specialists, translators, experts, expert examination, and so on, connected with the reclamation of evidences, inspection of evidences at the place of their location, provision of evidences, costs connected with the commission of other procedural actions necessary for the consideration of the case or preparation for its consideration. According to the law of Ukraine on court fee is a fee levied throughout Ukraine for filing statements, claims in court, for issuing documents by courts, as well as in the case of certain court decisions provided for by the law. The court fee is included in court costs. The law establishes several ways of determining the court fee. The court fee is levied in the corresponding amount of the subsistence minimum for able-bodied persons in which the corresponding statement or claim is filed through the court, as a percentage of the value of the claim, or fixed size. The original receipt of the payment of the court fee is filed with the statement of claim. The cost of processing documents on divorce through the registry office in Ukraine. The cost of services in case of divorce through the registry office consists of the payment of the state fee established by the decree of the Cabinet of Ministers of Ukraine on the state fee. The original receipt of payment of the state fee is attached to the application for divorce. The receipt should be paid on the day of the spouse's apply for divorce. What is the cost of services for divorce in Ukraine? Price. The cost of divorce services is calculated taking into account the professional legal assistance of a lawyer. A lawyer is an individual who carries out advocacy on the grounds and in the manner prescribed by the law of Ukraine on the bar and advocate activity. It is the lawyer who provides independent professional legal assistance on a contractual basis with the client. An agreement on the provision of legal assistance is an agreement under which one party, a lawyer, a law office, a lawyer association, undertakes to defend, represent, or to provide other types of legal assistance to the other party, client, on the terms and in the manner specified by the agreement, and the client undertakes to pay provision of legal assistance and the actual costs required for the fulfilling of the contract. The content of the agreement is determined by the parties, but it should necessarily contain full information about the parties, subject of the contract, rights and obligations of the parties, type or types of lawyer services, their volume and cost, conditions and procedure for determining the cost of services involve, terms and form of payment for services, additional expenses, preliminary advance payment and its amount, date of the conclusion of the contract and its period of validity, signatures of the parties and other conditions agreed by the parties. The cost of consulting a lawyer in case of divorce in Ukraine. A family lawyer provides services for the preparation of separately statement of claim for divorce or full package of documents. In addition, the lawyer provides services for the full support of the divorce proceedings without the participation of the client on the basis of an agreement on the provision of legal assistance. On the basis of each individual case, the cost of the provided services is determined. If a client wants to get advice only in drawing up a statement of claim for divorce, a lawyer provides a full free consultation on further actions. Divorce lawyer in Ukraine. Cost of services. The amount of expenses for legal assistance of a lawyer in the consideration of a divorce case includes the lawyer's fee for representation in court and other legal assistance related to the preparation of a divorce case for consideration, advice related to the collection of evidences, cost of the services of an attorney's assistant, other legal assistance related to the case. Fee is the main form of remuneration for the provision of defense, representation and other types of legal assistance to a client in a divorce case. Determining the amount of the fee, the complexity of the case, the qualification and experience of the lawyer, professional authority, the financial condition of the client and other significant circumstances are taken into account. The fees must be appropriate and take into account the time spent by the lawyer. The amount of expenses for legal assistance is determined by the set of following documents: agreements for the provision of legal assistance and relevant evidences on the volume of provided services and accomplished work and their cost, which is paid or should be paid by the relevant party. Consulting a professional divorce lawyer is a guarantee of your success. Contact the lawyers of our company in any way convenient for you. Call or write in messengers, and we will help you to resolve your issues quickly and efficiently. If you have a need for a consultation or paid services of a lawyer, then contact the contacts listed under this video. If you have any questions, then write them into the comments to this video, and I will definitely answer you. If this video was useful for you and you learned something new about the cost of services in case of divorce, then like this video, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, press the bell not to miss new videos, and see you in new videos.